This is Anikit Grover and welcome to my channel. So in today's episode, we will see that how we can change the app icon for our Flutter app. So I have already opened. A project in the VS Code. So first thing, what we're gonna do is that if you haven't loaded that image that you want to load, so you haven't loaded any of Flutter app, so just create a folder as the name of the asset and include that the image that you want to load for the app icon. So for right now, I have loaded a PNG icon, so I want to make it as an app icon. So what we're gonna do is that after you load those icons in your Flutter app, so just head over to the pub.vml file. In that, the first thing we wanna do is that we will load we will load. If you see that uh, uh, if you see that asset is a predefined commented, so we have to uncomment it. And other than that, we have to load a package that is Flutter launcher icon, so uh, it will override the icons that we want to make for our app. So just uh, we have to copy paste, we have to get it into our Flutter app. So if you don't know about it, so first we have to go to the view and the command palette, and other than and after you will go to the pub.assist file. In that you can specify this package name, and after you press this enter, so it will automatically add this into your Flutter app. So it's all, I have already done it. So what we're gonna do is that we have to write this as well. So Flutter icons is the same like this. So we want to override that for the platform. We want to overwrite it for the Android, iOS, and we have specify the image that it will take. So after all is done, so you have to propagate it, and so, since it's running, so we will head over to the terminal and we will write that command. So the command is Flutter run launcher. So what we're gonna do is that uh, we have to run this command directly. So it will automatically we have to run that Flutter pub and run in the package name we have already defined it, Flutter launcher icon. So it's from main. After you run this command, so it will take 2 to 3 minutes. After it's done, so your logo will be overwritten by the previous icons. So as you see, it's done. So when you build this app, when you run this code in a debug mode or in a release APK, so the icon will be displayed in that. So if you like this content, like it and share it. I will see you in the next episode. Thank you.